Hey guys, let me share with you the experience we had in North Pole Utah train. This is how we were welcomed with the amazing set of crew. We had a wonderful host and an amazing set of crew to entertain us throughout the
Hi
way.
guys, I'm Snowflake and I'm a food taster at North Pole.
Everyone say hi, Snowflake.
After a while, we were served with some cookies and a hot chocolate to begin with. It was time to enjoy the amazing performance by the amazing crew who entertained us throughout the way. Now it was the time to enjoy the scenic view throughout the way and get mesmerized with the snow everywhere. I think Christmas is the best time to visit. Now it was the time to head to the North Pole and meet our Santa.
Guys, that's Santa.